Hello everybody, how are we? So I'm just going to do some eye makeup today and I'm going to use just 4 colours. So I'm going to pop on a little bit of eye primer first, and that just gives us a nice even tone and surface to work with. Now, so it just evens out any darkness you might have on your eyes and gives you a lovely even canvas for the colour. Okay, now we'll start. So I'm going to start with the colour Alive. Which is a nice goldy colour. It's this one. And we're going to pop that all over the eye. So literally just all over your eye like so. Okay, so I'm just going to put a little bit more on, so we have a good colour base there. And that's the great thing with eyeshadow colours, is they're completely buildable. Okay, so that's Alive. And the next colour we're going to do is Theatrical. Now I'm using Theatrical, you can also use Lively, but I don't have Lively. They're both an orangey tone colour, so I'm going to use Theatrical. And it's a beautiful orange in the Addiction 7 palette. And we're just going to pop that on in the crease of our eye, basically. So out here and into the crease. Like so. And that gives you a nice pop of colour. Okay, and the next colour I'm going to use is Fervent. And Fervent is a lovely dark pink. And I'm going to use that in the outer V. So pop it on here. And then in slightly. And we'll blend all that now in a minute. So you're going in almost to the middle and out. So in your outer corner and in towards the middle. Okay, and we're going to blend that now with a clean brush. And you just soften it all. And take away any harsh lines. Now what you can do is, with a little bit of Optimistic, is just soften that line there. And just soften and blend it all. There we go. Blend that bit a little bit more maybe. And then to finish off, we're going to get a smaller brush and we're going to pop on Optimistic, which is the very light gold. I'm just going to pop that up to highlight up here. And then blend again. And then in the corner of your eyes. And we're done. There we go. 4 colours. Lovely eye makeup look. And that's it. And then you just tidy up your foundation and you're done, ladies. So that's the 4 colours. Beautiful. Thank you for watching me. If you enjoyed watching, please press like, and I'll be on again soon. Thank you very much. I'm Anne-Marie Deans and I'm a Yellow Status presenter with Younique, and all the products I've used today are Younique products. Thank you very much. Bye bye.